एमसीक्यू के नए क्वेश्चन के साथ आप सभी का स्वागत है। अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें। Dash is the straightforward method for representing positive and negative numbers. Option C, sign magnitude. What is the true about additive inverse of a number? Option C, it gives 0 when added to the number. The 1's complement of 1 in 4 bits is option D 1110. The binary number 111 in its 2's complement form is option B 001. The sign magnitude representation of -9 is option C 10001 1001. If you are given a word of size n bits, the range of 2's complement of binary numbers is option D minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. In both sign magnitude and 2's complement, positive and negative numbers are separated using option B MSB. Single precision format comprises of dash bits. Option D 32. If m is the 2's complement and n is the binary number, then option B m is equal to n naught plus 1. The possible number of bit patterns with 8 bits. Option D 256. Which of the following is used for binary multiplication? Option B Booth's algorithm. What happens to a binary number during multiplication using Booth's algorithm. Option C, an extra bit is added on the left. The binary number obtained after applying RSC on 11010 will be option C 0010. The result of left shift of 11001 by 3 bits will be option A root. Booth's algorithm is applied on option B binary numbers. The Booth's multiplication is performed on the numbers 22 into 3. Then what is 3 referred to as? Option D multiplier. What is the default value of accumulator in Booth's multiplication of two 4 bits binary numbers? Option D 5 times 0. What is the value of n in multiplication of 110 into 1000? Option C 4. What will be the value obtained after multiplication of minus 2 into minus 3 using Booth's algorithm? Option A 6. What does the data transfer instruction STA stand for? Option A store accumulator. What is the 1s complement of 11010? Option D 00101. How is the 2s complement of a binary number obtained? Option D by adding 1 to the 1s complements of the number. The 10s complements of 562 is option B 437. The 9s complements of 6578 is option B 3421. This operator is used to denote option B right shift. The subtraction using 1's complement of 110 minus 100 will give the result option C 010. The result obtained on subtraction using 2's complement of 111 minus 0010 will be option C 1101. The 1's complement of 9 times 1 0.101 is option A 1.010. Seven s complement of 432 is option C 345. The 16s complement of 74e will be option A 8b2. Binary addition of 1 plus 1 gives the result option A 0. Is 4-bit a valid format in IEEE stand for floating point representation? Option D no. IEEE stand uses formats like a 16-bit and 32 bits. The result of 0 minus 1 in binary is option B 1. The complement of any number can be given by a general term. Option A b to the power n minus 1 minus n. The IEEE stand followed by almost all the computers for floating point arithmetic. Option C IEEE 754. What of the following is often called the double precision format? Option A 64 bit. What is NAN in IEEE standards? Option C note a number. The result that is smaller than the smallest number obtained in referred to as option A NAN. The number of sign bits in a 32-bit IEEE format. Option A 1. Express the decimal format of the signed binary number 10010 base 2. Option D minus 10. Perform binary addition of 1101 plus 0010 is option B 1111. What is the result of binary addition 1 plus 1? Option D 0 with a carry of 1. The result of 0 into 1 in binary is option A 0. The multiplication of 110 into 111 is performed. What is a general term used for 111? Option D multiplier. The result obtained on binary multiplication of 1010 into 1100 is option D 111000. Which of the following is often called the double precision format? Option A 64 bit. What do you call the intermediate terms in binary multiplication? Option C partial products. The result that is smaller than the smallest number obtained in referred to as option B underflow. The number of sign bits in a 32-bit IEEE format is option A 1. Express the decimal format of the signed binary number 101010 base 2. Option D minus 10. The number of values applicable in Boolean algebra. Option B 2. Can Boolean algebra be applied to any number system? Option B no, it only works with binary numbers. The symbol plus in Boolean is also known as the dash operator. Option B or. Which operator has the highest precedence? Option C exclamation point. In the expression y plus x naught dot y, which operator will be evaluated first? Option A apostrophe. Which of the following is false? Option C x dot x naught is equal to 1. As per idempotent law, x plus x will be always be equal to option C x. Expression for invaluation law is x not equal to x. Who proposed the use of Boolean algebra in the design of relay switching circuits? Option B, Claude E. Shannon. Truth table is used to represent Boolean. Option A, functions. Boolean function is of the form of option C, algebraic expression. What is the result of the Boolean expression x plus y dot y? Option B, x. In the Boolean function w is equal to function xyz, what is the RHS referred to as? Option B, expression. The general form of calculating the number of rows in the truth table is option C, to the power n. The number of literals in the expression f is equal to x dot y naught plus z are option B, 3. The complement term for x naught dot y naught dot z plus x dot y will be option B, x plus y plus z naught into x dot plus y. What is the complement of x naught y naught z? Option C, x plus y plus z naught. The mean term of any expression is denoted by option B, a small m. The mean term when x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0 is option C, x naught, y naught, z naught. The max term when x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 is option A, x naught plus y naught plus z naught. The term in SOP are called option B, mean terms. A sum of product SOP expression is found by adding together several mean terms. Is this correct? Option B, false. Which of the following is an incorrect SOP expression? Option B, x plus y into x plus z. The corresponding mean terms when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. Option D, x naught into y naught into z. LSI stand for option A, large scale integration. Which operation is shown in the following expression? X plus y naught into x plus z into z naught plus y naught. Option D, POS. The number of mean terms for an expression comprising of three variables. Option A, 8. The number of cells in a K-map with n variables. Option C 2 to the power n. The output of AND gates in the SOP expressions is connected using the dash gate. Option D or. The expression A plus BC is the reduced form of option B A plus B into A plus C. Electronic circuits that operate on one or more input signals to produce a standard output. Option D logic gates. All logic gates consider the basic building blocks of all circuits in a computer. Option A true. A dash gate gives the output as 1 only if all the input signals are 1. Option A AND. The Boolean expression of an OR gate is option C A plus B. The gate which is used to reverse the output obtained is option D NOT. Which of the following gate will give a 0 when both of its input are 1? Option C NAND. When logic gates are connected to form a gating logic network, it is called as a dash logic circuit. Option A combinational. The universal gate that can be used to implement any Boolean expression is option A NAND. The gate which is called an inverter is called option D NOT. The expression of an XOR gate is option A not B plus A B not. A dash is a circuit with only one output but can have multiple inputs. Option A logic gate. Is it true that there are 5 universal logic gates in digital electronics? Option B false. The output is low if any one of the inputs is high in case of a dash gate. Option A NOR. The following figure shows a dot gate. Option A NOR. The complement of the input given is obtained in case of option C NOT. How many AND gates are required to release the following expression y is equal to AB plus BC? Option D 2. Number of outputs in a half adder. Option B 2. The dash gate is an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. Option C, NOR. The expression of a NAND gate is option C, A dot B NOT. Which of the following correctly describe the distributive law? Option B, A plus B dot C equal to AB plus BC.